Trump tax proposal, brought to you by taxreformnews.com. The goal of the Trump tax plan is to make the income tax system easier for the average American. It is also meant to incentivize companies to conduct business in America as opposed to moving overseas. The Trump tax plan, as outlined on his website, is very simple. It starts with the goal list and then goes on to list a couple of particular items. The primary goals of his tax plan are to provide tax relief for middle-class Americans, simplify the tax code, grow the American economy, and not to add to the deficit or debt. Trump also alleges to be revenue neutral in his new tax plan. His website states that his tax cuts will be funded by reducing deductions and loopholes in the tax code, a one-time deemed repatriation of corporate cash held overseas at a 10% rate, reducing corporate loopholes that cater to special interests, and other deductions that are redundant. Now let's go over personal income tax reform of the Trump proposal. Trump plans to eliminate the need to file taxes for some individuals. This includes single people earning less than $25,000 and married people earning less than $50,000 a year. That removes the need for 75 million American households to file income taxes. The Trump tax plan aims to help Americans by moving to 4 income tax brackets instead of the current 7 tax brackets. 4 tax brackets will be 0%, 10%, 20%, and 25%. That lowers the highest income tax bracket down from 39% to 25%. Trump's tax plan will be more favorable toward married couples, and it will also eliminate the alternative minimum tax for individuals. Additionally, no family will have to pay taxes on an inheritance from a dead family member. The standard deduction for individuals will increase to $15,000 for single filers and $30,000 for married filing joint filers. Trump will also eliminate personal exemptions. Itemized deductions will be capped at $200,000 for joint filers and $100,000 for single filers. The Trump tax reform plan will also provide more benefits for child care and dependent elder care. Trump's proposal also repeals the real estate tax for individuals. Now let's move on how the Trump tax proposal will impact businesses. Focus of Donald Trump's corporate tax reform is to encourage businesses to relocate to the United States. He hopes to make America competitive again. Trump wants corporations to move their headquarters to the United States and bring more jobs back to the United States. He hopes that lowering the corporate tax rate to 15% will allow him to accomplish this. Trump will also allow manufacturing companies to elect to expense capital investment while losing their ability to deduct interest expense. Trump tax reform plan will also increase the cap on business tax credit for on-site childcare and allow businesses to pay a portion of employee childcare expenses in order to exclude those contributions from income. Trump is also looking to eliminate most tax expenditures except for the research and development credit. His plan will also repeal the corporate alternative minimum tax. In addition, his plan will also offer tax incentives for infrastructure spending. Thanks for watching. Make sure to visit our website, taxreformnews.com. Also, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Tax Reform News.